As robots become more capable and able to work around us, we're going to be able to want to tell the robots what we want them to do. And we'd like that to happen in a natural and intuitive way. We teach the drone the facial expression on the fly, so there's no set number. You teach it the neutral face and fly face. When you're setting up for the shot, you give it your neutral face, and when it sees the fly face, then it will zoom off on its mission. You fly the drone in front of you, you steer your body to the drone is lined up, and then you pull away from it to choose the strength, and then you show it your facial expression, and we chose funny faces, and then the drone shoots off on a parabolic trajectory. Our work is to try and make robots more capable and able to look after themselves and survive in interesting, complex environments and work around people.